This short video will show you how to refresh a computer printer inkjet cartridge. It's easy and fast, so let me show you how to do it. My cartridge from 2008, if you can believe that, has been sitting around for a while. It's an HP 44 magenta cartridge and it's not printing, but the green indicator shows that it's full of ink. Turn over the cartridge to expose a matrix of micro holes where the ink comes out of. This area is vulnerable to drying out, and with a vacuum and hose, you're going to pull the ink out from inside the cartridge through these holes. Take your hand and wrap it around the end of the hose so you can control the power of the vacuum. Then take your cartridge and quickly apply the vacuum to it in short bursts. Do this until it begins to bleed. Before printing, clean the bloody mess up with a damp tissue, then take it for a test drive. But if it's not printing right after that, continue this process until it does. Just don't overdo it. You'll just make a mess. You have to qualify this too. It doesn't always work. There may be other issues with your cartridges, but it's worth a try. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in another video.